G'day, here's a few pieces of nice seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules and millimetres, materials being wetted. The white that you can see there is a reflection from the lights. I've just gone in a little bit so you can get a better idea of the pieces. Colour looks like just on the top there. These aren't high quality pieces, but they'll be fun to play with. This one lends itself to perhaps being carved. This is leaning towards a piece of crystal. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.